to do the record. Yeah, so
1 minute.
oh my god. Yeah.
Akhi,
Yeah.
now I wanna do another thing.
Yeah, what?
Now it's like this now. So for example, 1 minute, I put here full stop like this. Okay, full stop is here. Now I wanna start another make new line and start from here.
Okay.
For that, please help me. Take the approval.
Please remove and
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm doing. Give me. Yes, now take. Start from new line.
start from here. So we are and then now you can write here A B C. This is just example. You can write anything here. But first try the what will be the result. Let me see too. Yeah, done. You can write anything here in ABC.
Oh, no. First, bring enter. Put enter and bring it here. This area.
Which area? This?
1 minute. Let me put a mark. 1 minute.
Okay.
Give me. 1 minute. Let me put a mark. This area. This. Okay. Now you can take
Need a
and start.
new div. Remove this.
Okay, 1 minute. Give me.
Okay.
Now
Done.
you can take.
We need a new div in which we put ABC. What happened? Where is next Seerah? I know. So that means we can't make it here. Why it is not good going on exact point? Go, go, yeah, duh. Yeah, what is that? Yeah, so div, go on div, done. Hmm? No, no, not capital. No, this is not capital. Yeah, and here I will write ABC. We will write anything else here. Okay, after that, mm, oh, what about that? This is an extra. Oh, oh, then nothing happened. Margin top and margin left. This is good. You can do it 20, 20, 1. Copy the class. See done. Class equal. Now let us see. Look like where is the text gone? Oh wow, so fast. Where did it come here? Break it needed maybe. Yeah, break. What is comma doing here? And we can now. Oh. Why am I doing so much mistake? Okay. Nothing changed. Maybe
You have to write bottom left.
bottom left.
Yes,
Don't
that's why it's on top.
bottom left will not make sense. Okay, maybe now it will work. Why it is not changing, guy? So bad. Oh, I have an idea. I had this great mistake. We don't need a professional method. Just use local method. So control Z, control Z, control Z, control Z. That we can put here break tag. So. And then V, slowly, control V. Now it should work like as I want. 1, 2, 3. Good.
Great, great. Acha, akhi, now it's our time for doing that. Bani Israel.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me wrap up. Okay, Akhi, can you share another new link?
I can't share from here. Maybe
No,
maybe
after we close the link, this link.
yeah.
Can you stop the recording?